trust in my worrying mind, and I'll try to avoid too much thinking, as thinking is drowning the hope that we sail on the sea when our boats are all sinking. You digest the truth to make new plans as you shake defeat while avoiding hands, and you look for proof in all that you can, in suspecting eyes of every man. Your silence screams your darkest thoughts, and you dream of yesterday, and how you place the truth of how you face the days we have to save, and denial fades from your happy face till it cripples your innocent mind. You remember how you took for granted the fact that you're alive. With every fiber of your desire, you step away from love. That's a fire that only requires an energy to burn. And you realize your fickleness, and how you love your life, and how the human race can step up to its desire to stay alive. And while we question all its consequence, before you seek the reason, forcing you to think outside the box, for every realization that our time is now, our love is strong without it. We couldn't carry on. Carry on. So the love